What is going on, everybody? And Dallas coming at you with my new product. It's actually a training academy called Traffic Training Academy. And as you probably know, the most important thing you need when you want to make money online is traffic. So that's what I'm going to give you. Um, what's inside of Traffic Training Academy? Well, module one is simple copy and paste and profit and earn up to $511 per customer. Um, couple bonuses that you get 10 days worth of new subscriber email swipes, 10 days worth of buyers list email swipes, 10 days worth of non responsive email swipes. Module two, secret tool to help you capture leads. Module three, just basically showing you how to record your videos or make videos and record your screen. You can of course record yourself too. Um, you can swap through. You can record both, basically for free. Because I don't know if you know this, but YouTube is a great place to get a ton of free traffic. So videos are important, and of course, this tool you don't need to show your face to make the videos. Module 4 is a great place to create free banner ads, YouTube thumbnails, basically anything you need to create visually for like graphics or something like that. I'm going to show you how to do that for free. Module 5, I'm going to show you how to pick a profitable product. And if you use ours, you get to earn up to 70% commissions. You can use Traffic Training Academy, promote that. Plus, you'll also have a lot of done for you stuff that comes with it, and a lot of training for that. Also, you could promote either of my other products, Atomic Traffic or Secret List Building Tactics. Module 6, how to set up a list and autoresponder. Module 7, how we built a list of 714,000 subscribers in just 30 days. Module 8, I'm going to give you some bonuses that you can use as an incentive to get people to join your list. Module 9, I'm going to teach you how to build high converting links.